Hello future billionaires and aspiring entrepreneurs, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below. Do check out my top recommendation to make money online in the description down below. Alright then, let's get started then. In this video I am going to tell you 6 surprising millionaire facts that you never knew. Everyone wants to become rich one day. But not everyone has the right mindset. People often think rich people are rich because of luck or talent. This is how they give their power away. But they never understand the fact that there is no hidden ingredient. You can get there if you're willing to put in the work. In the next minute or two I will show you 6 millionaire facts that you never knew were true. Number 1. Only 20% of millionaires have inherited their wealth. 80% have made it on their own and are first-generation millionaires. And the fortune they have will disappear by the second or third generation. Number 2. 80% of millionaires go to work. Only 20% are retirees. Number 3. The average millionaire goes bankrupt at least 3 times. Yes, that's right. Becoming a millionaire takes a lot of hard work and patience. Number 4. There is a common and popular notion that rich people don't pay taxes. But in reality, millionaires pay 40% of all taxes. Number 5. 85% of millionaires people read at least 2 books a month, as they believe reading is essential for success. And 63% listen to audiobooks and podcasts while traveling to work, exercising or doing everyday chores. Number 6. 76% of millionaires exercise at least for 30 minutes for 4 days a week. They like to run, bike and jog instead of smoking, drinking or doing drugs. Hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.